Welcome back to her gym kitchen, where quick meals meet high protein and always good vibes only. So this Sunday marks the end of my Shravan officially. That's the reason I'll be making a spicy, comforting, drool-worthy classic. Aapka mera, sabka favorite chicken tikka masala, guys. But this one's different, okay? Just 466 calories with a huge 57 grams of protein. Healthy bhi, indulgent bhi, kind of best of both worlds. And you know what the best part is? You only need the basics like 200 gram chicken breast, 100 gram Greek yogurt, या फिर दही भी चलेगा. Tomatoes, onions, green chilli, ginger, garlic, and all the masala. Simple, right? So let's get into it. First, take those chicken cubes. Add 100 grams of yogurt, followed by salt, masala, haldi, and mix everything well. Let it rest for a while. Cooking marination is the real magic that makes chicken juicy and flavorful. Now time for veggie prep. Let's chop. Grab your chopper and let the magic begin. Seriously, chopper always gives me those full gym vibes, huh? Like it's like a full day for me. Oh God, ये ढक्कन इतना tight क्यों है? Harsh, finally opened. Perfect. It looks perfect. Now let's cook this beauty. Heat the pan, add just a few drops of oil, followed by some crushed black pepper. And in goes our marinated chicken. Now toss. Looks so good already, I must say. Add garam masala and cook 3 to 4 minutes. Guys, don't judge me, okay? But मैं थोड़ा extra Everest मसाला डाल रही हूँ because थोड़ा extra मसाला ही थोड़ा extra मजा देता है. Now chicken's done and well cooked. Let's take it out and keep it aside. In the same pan, we'll add some few drops of oil. Add cumin seeds and a pinch of hing. Seriously, it's the OG, the best for digestion. Now add the chopped green chilli, garlic, ginger to the pan and saute for a while. Then add some chopped onions. Cook until golden. Then add a tomato puree. थोड़ा पानी add करेंगे so that masala thick हो जाए without even adding the corn flour, you know. Add salt, then add masala. And at this stage, oh my god, the aroma, I cannot express. It's so tempting. Yeah, guys, we're almost there. Like 80% of the work is done. Add chicken back in. Let it simmer for a minute. Top it up with some fresh coriander and that's it, guys. The healthy high protein chicken tikka masala is ready. And guys, this one is a must try. Trust me, no regrets at all. Pair it with onion. Next level amazing it would be. Let's have the first bite. Oh my god, too yummy. I can't explain it to the screen, you know. You have got to try it out yourself. And the best part, It's comfort food, guilt-free, protein-packed. What else do you want? And it still tastes exactly like the chicken tikka masala we all love. So what are you waiting for? Cook it, taste it, and tell me in the comments below how you like it. Or don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more healthy Indian recipes right here on Her Gym Kitchen. Bye bye. See you in the next one.